Hello, and hope you're doing well. On this video we're going to look at this Hampton Bay Chalene LED flush mount light. And as you can see, I already opened the box. So here first you have the instructions, what kind of tools you need, how it's installed, care and cleaning, and in Spanish as well. So first you have the glass shade here. The LEDs are in here. It doesn't look like much, but it's very light, but I'm sure it's pretty bright. Here you have the rest of the hardware, which will probably just need a couple of screws. I don't think we'll need everything, but that's pretty cool that you have the rest of the stuff. This is the old lamp we're gonna take off. So the first thing I'll do is unscrew this. There's another nut there, and I'm holding the shade. So now I can take these off. I'm going to cut the light off. So I cut off the power to the light, and I also turn off the circuit breaker that goes to here. So now I can take this off. There's only 2 screws here. Once it's a bit loose, then I can turn this thing around. And take it down. You have the ground and the power on here. So now what we need to do is put the wires together accordingly. Once you do that, then the screws that you left in here halfway out. So now that I tightened both of the screws, I turned on the light just to make sure that it works before I put everything else all together, and it does. As you can see, there's plenty of LEDs here. It's very bright, and I like that it's very nice and flush. I also like that there's a little plastic covering the LEDs for extra protection. So that I like that a lot. The last thing that we're gonna do is put the shade. So here it is. I know the one on the left is the one that I can pull out, so I can put that one last. So I'll pull this one out while I put the right ones in there first, and then let it go. And that is it. It looks pretty cool. I'll take a picture because it looks better on the picture than in the video because of the light. But I like the way it looks. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully it helps you in any way, and enjoy.